أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي ربنا زدنا علما آمين يا رب العالمين. Today in this short lesson we are going to review something extremely important and very easy, al-huruf al-mushabbah bil-fail, the particles that behave like verbs. We have previously learned about huruf nasiba. Those are called inna wa akhwatuha, and they are inna, anna, anna, lakinna, layta, la, Allah. We have two major roles for them. Those huruf nasiba can be called as huruf nasikha, and they are also called as al huruf mushabba bil fail. We know that they are huruf al-nasikha because they cancel out the grammatical role of mubtada and khabar in a jumla ismiya when they enter a jumla ismiya. Because when they enter a jumla ismiya, a mubtada and khabar are no longer mubtada and khabar. They become the isim and the khabar of the huruf nasiba. If it is inna, we can call them as isim of inna, and we can call the khabar as the khabar of inna. The other role that they play is called the huruf mushabba bil fail. They are also called as huruf mushabba bil fail. And why are they called that? Because even though they are not verbs, we know that they are not verbs, they act like verbs. So let's see, we have learned about huruf and nasaba. We know that they are inna, anna, ka'anna, layta, lakinna, la'alla, and with the addition of be and li, anna can have bi anna and li anna. We also learn about huruf and nasab wa ismuha, that we can have a long distance relationship between harf of nasab and its isim. Unlike jar wa majrur, which are always together, we can have a shibu jumla between harf of nasab and its isim. As you can see, different examples from Quran. Inna rabbaka alimun hakim. This is simple ism and its inna and its ism and its khabar. But we do see here anna lahum ajran kabira. We see this shubha jumla, a jar majur fragment between anna and its ism. Anna lahum ajran kabira. Now let's learn al huruf mushabba bil fi'l. So why are huruf nasba called huruf mushabba bil fi'l? They act like verbs in two ways. That's why they are called mushabba bil fi'l, similar to a fail. Firstly, they change the grammar of the sentence just like the verbs do. Like we have faili madi, faili mudare verbs, and they just change the grammar of the like the sentence can be completely into jumla that is for the present tense and a jumla that can be used as a past tense. So huruf mushabba bil fail, those huruf nasaba act like a fail because they are also changing the grammar of the sentence. And also they add meanings like emphasis, hope, wish, um, like because we know that these are all the meanings of inna wa akhwatuha. They are huruf nasaba, like inna has indeed, no doubt. It is now giving the meaning of emphasis. We have hope. We have other, like you can see here, the emotions. So, what we are going to learn that how they are going to have the similar meanings of the fail. We know about inna wa akhwatuha. We know that what did they do here. حروف الناسخة تدخل الجملة الاسمية، تنسب المبتدا ويسمى اسمها، وترفع الخبر ويسمى خبرها. So we have this in our أخواتها, the simple definition, like they are حروف الناسخة. They are, when they enter a jumla ismiya, they make the mubtada uh, mansoob, and it is the isim of inna wa akhwatuha, and the khabar remains rafa, and that is called the khabar of inna wa akhwatuha. So this is normally what they do. But now we are learning about how they have a similar meaning like the just like the fail. So that is why they are called the huruf mushabba bil fail. So here you see the first one, inna. We have these six huruf or particles in Arabic that whenever they are entering a jumla ismiya, they are going to change it, but with some kind of meaning inside them. So there is some kind of meaning inside harf, every harf of nasaba. Let's start with first we have this inna. This means it is always used for tawqid, like you can see litokid, and it has the meaning of, because we are learning that how they are similar to a fail, so it is giving the meaning of uakkid. Uakkid, so that means I strongly emphasize, like we have the meaning of, like whenever you're going to use it when you want to say something with power and certainty. That is how it is giving a tawqid in the sentence, and it is similar to the fail or akid. That means I strongly emphasize. I strongly emphasize something. So you are going to use it when you want to say something with power and certainty. So that means, like, indeed, I emphasize, and then whatever the sentence you are going to say. Then we have anna. It has the same meaning of tawqid, and it has the same fail, the meaning of this fail or kid inside it. Like again, if you're going to say something with certainty, with emphasis, you are going to say anna, and it has the meaning of tawqid inside it. We have now ka'anna. That means I compare it, or like I just like I feel that it seems like something something. So we are going to use it when you want to show that one thing looks similar to something else. So that means it has the meaning of a tashbih. So that is why we say lit tashbih, for tashbih. So anna is used for tashbih. The purpose is for tashbih, and we can say it has the fail inside ushabbihu, means I compare, or I'm just comparing two things, and you're going to use it when you want to show that one thing looks similar to something else. And that is why we say the anna is for tashbih, or you can say lit tashbih. Then we have lakinna. Lakinna is for you can say lil istikrak. So here, so it is istidrak. So here li is for istidrak. That means the you can say it is just for the correction. Uh, and it has this verb istadraktu. You can say I express hope, or you can say a positivity, or like um anything, like you can use it when you say something and then add you can say hopeful clarification. Then you can use lakina. That is why we say it is for is tadrak, and the fail inside it you can say is tadraktu. I express hope, or I express positivity after a correction. Like this is the fail inside it. We have then later, and it is for litamanni. Litamanni means for tamanni, for wish. So this is again, let's see here. Later is I wish for something, or I long for something. That means wishful thinking for something that is not going to happen. Like it is never going to happen. And we have seen this word many times in the Quran, especially in the 30th juz, where Ya Laytani and the words like that. This has comes many times. So Layta means the purpose is lit tamanni, for tamanni. The verb inside it's at tamanna. At tamanna means I wish for something, like you're going to use it when you wish for something that you want to happen, but it may not be real or possible, or that is not going to happen ever. But sometimes we have a wish, like later we have this tamanna, but that tamanna can happen. That is possible. That can occur. So in that case, it is not tamanni. The purpose is not tamanni now. Now it is the purpose is changed. Now it will be a taraji. So for taraji means when something can happen, if you wish for something and that can happen, we have a taraji, and the word for that is la Allah. Means I hope for something good to happen, and it also can give a meaning of trying to improve or adjust something, and it can only happen when that thing is possible. Like this is also for that thing, but it cannot like improve anything, like it cannot occur, it cannot happen, or it is not possible. Like you are wishing for something but it's not possible, then you say that it is litamanni. And the word the we use for it is later. But Allah is for ataraji, means I express hope or I'm helpful, like I'm trying to improve something, I'm trying to adjust something, and that is possible. This is when we use la Allah. So this is the main difference between laita and la Allah. Laita is for tamanni and la Allah is for taraji. The verbs inside are atamanna and ataraja. And atamanna means I'm wishing for something that can never happen. Ataraja means I'm hoping for something, I'm wishing for something, but that's possible, and I'm hopeful for that. So these are all huruf. These are huruf and nasaba that are called huruf mushabba bil fi'l. They are also called as huruf and nasikha. And one of them, this anna, is also the harf of masdariya, because it can create a phrase, a jumla muawwala, that can act like a single noun, and it can just take a place of like any single noun in the sentence. It can be a file, it can be a maful bihi, or it can take any other role. So these are al-huruf mushabba bil fail, because they have the meaning of some fail inside them. They have different meanings when they are used in jumla ismiya. Like they can be for tawkid, they can be for tashbih, they can be for istidrak, they can be for tamanni, and they can also be used for taraji. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. So this is huruf al-mushabba bil fail. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Barakallahu li wa lakum.